Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. Now in this video we are going to see how we can capture the CLR error message. So let me create a runnable class first. Click on add. I will go to new item. Sorry, I will need to do it here. I can go to my class and here I can say this has CLR error capture. And I will click add. Alright, so now I can remove this boiler piece of code. So the scenario that I'm going to take here is divide by 0. So we have different type of errors, so let me show you. So we have these many lists of exception. Okay, it is really of multiple times. So most of the times, sometimes we get the CLR error. Many times, often error is required. Then the most famous one here would be update conflict. Timeout is also when the process is running, for a particular duration, like depending upon how much you have set up. Then numeric is also a famous one. So we have different kind of exception here. So the exception that we are going to see in our example is CLR error. So we'll see how we can capture this CLR error. So for that, I will use my try catch. So I will write my code inside try, and inside my catch I will use my exception. I can say CLR error here, and then I can do something like this. So I will try to create a scenario of divide by 0. So for that, what I can do, I can declare a variable integer a comma b, and what I will do, and let us assume a have the value of 5. And now what I will do, inside my b, I will say 8 divide by 0. So this should give me the error. Okay, so now once I will get the error, then I can say here info catch is running, and here what I will do, I will try to capture the exact error message. So usually in catch, what you write, you write the possible piece of code, but in my scenario I want to capture the exact error that I'm getting. So for that I can simply declare this system dot exception, and let me say this as exception. Now here inside my this, I can say exception equals to CLR, I can say getLastException, and now here I can simply use my info statement. I can say info exception dot toString. Let me save this piece of code and let me try to do a build. Alright guys, so the build is completed and I simply run my runnable class. So here if you can see, we are getting two info messages. The first one is this catch is running. So the code execution goes like this. It will run this code, this, then here it sees that there's an exception type of CLR error. So it simply catches this one. Then it simply print this particular line like catch is running. Once that is done, then whatever exception is thrown from here, it is simply going to put it here, and then using this toString, we are simply displaying it here. If in case you want to capture it in some kind of logs, so we can simply use and we can assign this value. So this is how you can capture the CLR errors in D365 X++ programming language. Thanks for watching this video.